What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Turbo, which did go for a pump last night, as you guys can see, or yesterday afternoon, and ever since then it has been slowly dropping in value. It is currently valued at just over 0.006 cents and has gone up just over 16% in the last 24 hours. So as usual, we're going to be going through what is next for Turbo, when can it potentially hit the 1 cent target and head upwards from there. Looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is now the time to buy it, as it has taken quite of a dip since it hit its all-time high. Is it time to sell it if you are still on a profit, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are also going to covering its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, the crypto is currently trading at its resistance level here between the blue zone and the top tier level here, and which it has been over the last couple of days, but it has been up and down, and right now it is literally at its resistance target. Two things can happen here guys. It can either drop down into the blue zone and even lower, or it can bounce back up into the top tier level, potentially hitting another all-time high over the coming week or two, which I will be going through later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Turbo, which is here in purple. And as you guys can see here, the actual value of Turbo is here as well, so they are pretty much both at the same level, meaning the crypto is pretty much on target and performing like it's meant to. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking a little bit skeptical. We do have the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the blue line, sorry, is slanting. Well, it is looking quite negative, however it is very much not that steep, because it looks like it is going in a straight line as well, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Turbo over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Nothing too crazy, nothing major. Of course, expect green candles in between as well, but the whole point is to expect an overall minimal drop in value from Turbo. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from the crypto over the coming 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, Turbo should once again be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, I agree with this. Majority of the people, or some people, may say the crypto is likely to bounce back up, it's going to break out again, so on and so on. However, the way that it has been performing and the length that it has been around for, I'm not expecting it to pump up anytime soon. In fact, over the coming week or two, I'm expecting it to slowly hit more red candlesticks, dropping back down in value below the half a cent, so 0.005 cents. Below that value is where I'm expecting Turbo to be trading at towards the end of the week and early next week. So an overall drop in value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we're looking a little bit steep, heading towards the bearish direction, looking very negative guys. So once again, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid-August 2024, I am expecting Turbo to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, don't get me wrong, There will be times when it's going to hit green candles and pump up in value, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the negative side. So yes guys, I'm expecting Turbo to be trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment in August. However, if there are any major updates or news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Turbo, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, the crypto is trading around its resistance level. So yes, I'm expecting it to bounce back up into the top tier level over the coming days before it slowly starts to hit red candles. Towards the end of the week, early next week, it should have dropped back down into the blue zone, potentially into the dark green and green zone by late June, early July is what my expectations are at the moment. But as mentioned, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis. If you guys want me to, let me know in the comment section down below. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up over 180% in the last 24 hours, making it through trading volume over $171 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is it pumped up quite a bit yesterday afternoon, and a lot more people have been trading the crypto ever since. It has been slowly starting to drop, but I can see that the trading volume still is on the green side and still going up in value. So moving on to the daily chart, over the next couple of weeks, what can we see? Over the last week, as you guys can see, it has dropped 6%, with a major drop here on the 7th of June, which was about 3 days ago over the weekend. Major drop and then pumped back up in value yesterday, and over the month it is 540% up, guys. This is another reason as to why I'm expecting the crypto to be dropping down in value over the long term, due to the fact of how much value it has gained in a short amount of time. I've seen a lot of people saying Turbo is likely to hit the 5 cents target by the end of the year, which I highly disagree with, because for it to hit 5 cents it will require a major increase in value, and I'm not expecting anything like that. But let me know your prediction and take on this crypto for 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.